Yes, my love, I miss you so much. Honestly, I cannot wait to be with you. But baby, the money that you promised me.
Beatrice, you realize the fact that you can reduce your voice, right? Because when you're in a work environment and you're making noise.
Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? It's one mosquito that is here distracting me.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
Yes, my love.
I want to be sure that I'm not the one you just called a mosquito, right?
Baby, excuse me, please. And if I call you a mosquito, what will you do about it? Are you stupid?
I am certain that it's the boy you are talking to that is a mosquito. Yes, that boy you are talking to, he is the mosquito.
You are the mosquito. Look at this swine. Are you okay? Won't you just focus on your job and mind your business? What's your business with my calls?
If I don't, what would you do? Tell me. Okay, wait. What if I now take you now and report you to Ray for the fact that you're making call during work o'clock?
Oga, I will give you transportation fee. You hear? Go and report me.
I like your confidence.
Yes.
Now open your mouth and say, Martin, so I dare you to go and report.
Martins, I dare you to go and report. Shagia.
Watch me.
Baby, can I call you back, please? Yeah, I love you so much, okay? Bye.
So you're scared. Why didn't you stay on the call and see what I would do?
Okay, you go to mind your business for this office. You dey hear me? If you don't want to make a trick count for your eye, you go mind your business because I don't know what is your business with my calls. You want to make her lose money? Enemy of progress. You want to make her lose money? Enemy of progress, jealousy, jeloma.
Yeah, don't die. I'll be jealous of you for talking to a small boy.
Oh, really? He's a small boy?
Yes, he's a small boy.
And you that you're a big boy, what have you achieved in your life? You where they drag for salary increments, what you don't achieve? You're very stupid. Shaggy.
Don't talk to me anyhow.
My dear, and if I talk to you, what will you do?
Never in your life call me dear again. Do you hear me? Don't you ever call me dear. I've been seeing you in a long time. I see the way you look at me in this office. I am not one of those guys that are cheap and easy to collect. Let me tell you something. If I enter your eye, remove me from your eye. If not, I will remove this your eye, clean it and give you your eyes back. I cannot enter your eye. You're not even my spec. You're not the kind of woman that entices me. As you look, so you know fine. Yes, you know fine.
I close my eye in the name of Jesus. Martins, if you're the last man on earth, I'd rather die. Or become a reverend sister than have something to do with you. You don't even rich people while they follow. Money you no get. Promotion you they drag for. Salary increment that you rude pass. That you they drag for. They almost sack you the other day. And you say make I do something with you.
You try so hard make I notice you, but I don't go notice you. Do you know why I will not notice you? Let me tell you why. Because I have my taste in women. The kind of women I have a taste in, they are women of substance, timber, caliber, and class, not women that wear cheap things like you. See, let me tell you, if I want 50 women to be here right now, women now, they could stop loss everywhere.
They could stop loss.
Yes, not women like you. Rubbish.
Martins, you did like this, they drag salary. You don't pay rent. I hear your gist with Tasha. You never pay your rent, then they drag you. You won't go squat with them. My brother, go and pay your rent.
Devil get behind the
squatter for Lagos.
You the fear sacking. It's yours. What for you?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Madam, he said he wants to see you directly. Maga, don't forget as we talk. Bless me.
Never mind that, please, sir. You're welcome. I believe my staff has already given you all the necessary information you need, right? Mr. Pius.
Chief Pius.
Chief Pius.
Yes, I have the information.
Okay. It says here that you're looking for a 200-acre piece of property around Shungudiro.
Exactly. And honestly, I am pressed of time. I'll be needing it within the frame of 2 weeks. And that is why I feel it is more befitting to come and deal with you directly than to deal with some of your staffs.
Oh, I see. I understand that. But my staff, they are powerhouses. Please don't underestimate them. They have better insights than I do sometimes. Sir, 200 acres. In the spirit of transparency, I will admit that we do not have anything of that sort under our belt at this moment. However, I am aware of a recently acquired piece of property by an industry friend, so I will make an arrangement with him to see what we can get for you within your time frame. If you do not mind, I will call you once the preliminary arrangements have been put in place, if that's okay. Is that okay? One or two of my staff will take you for the field inspection once it's ready.
It is fine. I will wait for your call. Remember, I'm counting on you.
Sure, sir.
Another thing, I wouldn't want any of your staffs to bother me by coming.
Oh.
I would prefer you come yourself.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes.
Done. That's fine. Thank you very much for coming, sir.
It's alright.
Please, I'll see you off.
No. There's no need for that. Because, I believe I met you were very busy before I came in. So I would want you to go back to your job. Honestly, I would wish that more young girls out there are as ambitious and hardworking as you are. Beauty and brain. That combination is a beauty to behold. It's something to hold on to. Do you understand?
Yes.
And I like what I'm seeing. You're saying it, you look it, the confidence. I'm wowed.
Yes, sir.
So please go back to your job and continue the good work.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
All right.
Yes, we'll get you what you want.
Make sure you call me, my dear.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wow.
200.
Abby.
Yeah, whoa.
I've been meaning to ask you something, ma'am.
What? What now?
Do you think you'll be this successful if you weren't so beautiful?
I beg. What are you trying to say now? That I'm not hardworking, Abby? I just stand in front of mirror and my image will be popping out dollars for me into my hands, Abby.
No,
I'm not working. What are you
You're
talking?
misunderstanding me now. Stop now.
What?
You refuse to let me
I don't want
compliment
to
you.
hear.
You're the finest realtor I've ever seen. The most beautiful.
Focus. 200 acres. You have to stop everything you're doing to focus. Yeah?
Yes. Yes, Miss Nigeria.
We're family, we're fly, we're family, but we're fly. And we jiggy, and we boogie, we get the mola, don't mess with us. Hey.
Welcome, sir.
Hey.
Welcome to Fotizo Properties Limited. How may I be of service, sir?
It's okay. My name is Razo. I came here to see Tasha. She's my friend. Yeah. and she asked me to come to the office. Yeah.
A razor. Razor like a razor blade.
Well, yeah. Is there any problem?
No problem. It's just that I've not hearing a name like a razor. Anyway, Tasha, now here she did, but she did madam office now. Maybe you go wait. Or maybe I go call her. Or wait you want wait.
Well, I'd like to see her. Yeah, I purposely came to see her.
Okay, but no problem. If Natasha you want to see, people plenty will go answer you. Martins. Come. Come. See this my friend here. The same thing what Tasha go do. Go do. Speak to her.
Oh, okay. You're very welcome. It's nice having you. So welcome, sir.
Thank you. So much.
Man, you smell so good. What's the name of your perfume, sir?
Thank you. Anyways, it's one of your products. Yeah.
Oh, deal.
Yeah.
I don't know that, but I know it smells very expensive.
It's well, not really, but yeah, it's okay.
Thank you very much. So let's get down to our business. So, how may we be of help to you, please?
I came to see Tasha, alright? And the guy about there, this guy, he said I should come and meet you because I'm a friend to Tasha.
Oh, definitely, Rob. Let me tell you something. Whatsoever it is that Tasha can do for you, I can do it double. I trained Tasha in this business, and trust me, you are in good hands. So let me bring our phone for you, sir.
Please, excuse me. It's like you don't understand what I was trying to say. I'm not here to patronize or purchase anything. I'm just a friend, and I just came here to see her. That's all. Yeah.
So you came to see Tasha here on a casual visit?
Yeah, that was what I was trying to explain to you, but you didn't give me a chance. Yeah, I'm just a friend.
So actually, you're trying to tell me that you came down here and I have been calling you, sir, for the past 15 minutes. And you could not tell me that you did not come to do anything as regards our business. You just came here to come and see woman. Is that what it is? You don't have old people. Do you know how many years I've been in this business? So you have to allow me to call you sir for nothing.
Hey, what's up?
No, let me talk to this boy and come to find woman in this place.
Wait, what's up? What's all this harshness for? Did I do anything wrong to you?
You did everything wrong, bro. Because you allowed me to call you sir for about 15 minutes, knowing fully well that you're not coming to do anything business with us. Yes, I've been calling you sir for waste, for rubbish now, for what? No, allow me to talk to this guy. How do you come and look for woman in our company now and you allow me to call you sir for what now? Don't you know where the garden is?
Okay, honestly, please choose your words carefully. Watch what you tell me, and I strongly advise you to watch what you say to me. What's your next word, buddy?
Is that a threat?
Well, call it whatever you want to call it, because at this point you are pissing me off now, buddy.
Yeah. First of all, I'll make it clear to you. Firstly, I am not your body. Second of all, what would you do if I talk to you wrongly? You will beat me. You think you can beat me? Let me talk to this boy.
Okay.
No, this boy because of that, you think I can come. Listen, you think you can beat me? You think it's the by most will do it? I'm a black belt holder karate. It's balls. It's balls that we should do. Balls.
You are pissing me off right now, seriously. Seriously, you are pissing me off.
If I beat you, what will you do? Beat me? No, tell me beat me. You beat me or do what? What would you do?
You don't do now.
So, allow me to talk to this guy. Allow me to talk to this guy. I don't know change guy be that for what? I dey fear you. Relax. I'm gonna fear you for what now?
Hey, what's going on now?
Tasha.
Hi, how are you doing? Welcome, Lisa.
Tasha, first of all, hold this your dog that came to this place. Just hold your dog chain, oh. Hold your dog chain that came to this place and talking to me for nonsense.
What's your problem? Why are you always making noise? Why are you embarrassing yourself?
I'm embarrassing
Please don't mind
myself.
him. That's how he behaves.
I just came here and started insulting me. Did I do anything wrong to you?
You did everything wrong to me. For me calling you sir.
Raz, please don't mind him. This is just how he is. Everybody in the office knows how he is. Please.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. I think he was dropped on his head as a baby or something. Like,
Nonsense.
please.
It's okay.
Anyway, how are you doing? Is it really well? It smells so good as usual.
Thank you. So,
Bring your voice down. You need the shout.
So I'm actually not allowed to have guests. So just I'm trying not to let things escalate.
Okay. So you know that somebody should not be looking for you during office hours. You know, right? You allow this to. Oh, you are not go. I am not normal. I am not okay. Just see me here. I'm getting for teacher. All this your document. If I descend on you, you will know that it's bone that they used to do it. Can you imagine? Allow me to talk to him. He came to me for woman in the work and they think he can talk to somebody like that. For what?
Martins, bring your voice down, man. Bring your voice down. You don't know who this man be.
Who he be?
That's the way that they call Razor.
If he be Razor, I'll be Cutlass. He named me Cutlass.
Don't bring your voice down.
I know if you bring my voice down. I don't fear him.
Martins, bring your voice. No, they shout this.
I'm trying very hard to ignore this guy.
Please try.
They're going to ignore you. They're going to ignore you. They're not going to ignore me. They're going to ignore you. And if they're going to forget you for life.
Martins, I don't tell you. This thing
Tasha,
will put you for trouble.
I'm actually sorry for what is about to happen. But please let this be. Hey, you guy, who are you? So you're crazy? Are you stupid or something? Is something wrong with you? Huh? So there's something wrong with you? I mean, like this. Go. Are you out of the brain now? Because are you stupid? Huh? Is something wrong with you? Who put this one? That's like you. You want to follow me? Please. When I tell you, you understand me? Are you okay? Don't worry now. No. Don't ask me. You are standing on your insulting me. Don't ask me. Stay away from me. You. So we help him out to talk. Don't worry. Wako Alpha. Where you there now? Come on, ASP now, come on. One useless, stupid Jew. Don't lose guard for this area. You're gonna insult me anyhow. Oh yeah, come on. Don't worry now. Lock me in our office now. Jew, yes, now. You took care of people. Why people do that? You just stand back for that copy. Say you're wearing me. Say you don't know who the phone talk at me. Say no. Don't worry now. Very soon you will know me. But then you will know me. So that be the phone talking now. They checkmate me, I'll be your mate. Don't worry. Hey, I don't fear you now. See this is my house. Who are you? No, you are not here. This your president don't misbehave, but today you go know. You go know me. Who says for a year? Come inside. Now this guy. Serious.
I like that.
I should give you that phone. I'm gonna watch you. You don't have to phone.
Hello? DPO. A group of cultists stormed into my office to kidnap my staff. Look how crazy they are. Now, please.
Hey, Wako. What are you going to be saying?
You're still here?
We can leave this place with the charge. So you get it. But you don't mind your face. I know your face very well. Anywhere I see you, I'm going to touch you. I tell you that. I'm going to touch you. I'm going to touch you well. You go collect. See here. You go collect. Tasha, you know that fuck don't fuck up like this. Guys, where will you go? Go away.
Leave this place.
So watch 24/7 will work for you today. Next time he will work. See you go.
Victory!
Let Marty's phone.
Go!
Like your face. I'm going to touch you. I swear to God, I'm going to touch you. You go feel that. I tell
Okay, you use the door.
Get out. Get out.
Yes, the way to get.
Madam, see as I charge them now.
Okay, it's only mouth that you have. What the hell happened here? I need an explanation. Right away.
Ma, let me just even talk. That people that left here, they are my friends.
Yes.
They came to see me. I went to the toilet to go and use the restroom. So since I wasn't around now, I now said let Tasha come step in for me. Before you know what happened, this guy now started harassing Tasha, touching Tasha anyhow. Had to step in as a man that he is.
Yes.
And before you know it, they started beating them.
Yes.
And Fred.
Yes.
If you say as I catch him like this, that time I use my security training. As I hold him like this, I take him like this.
Exactly. Lie. How do you guys expect me to trust you when you keep lying at every given chance?
No, madam. See, when these men entered, there were 3 of them, and you know, as the one man in the office, I need to try. As I was going from front, the other ones are coming from back, so it was rough, kind of.
Yes, but if you say you no call police now, if you say you no call police, wetin I wan do that time? Wetin I wan do that time? Na like a Jackie Chan fighting. I go take am like this, Arab boy and his strength.
Yes, ma, that's exactly what happened.
Thank you.
Please, let's all commit in pairs for the rest of this week at least, or even next week, because they might violate any one of us, especially Martin. May God keep us in peace.
Amen.
Madam, make I see pursue them.
Okay, shut up your mouth. It's only talk that you know. You cannot fight somebody.
If they did not go police, you will be lying on this floor. Okay, shut up. It's only mouth. You know they yapping anyhow.
Nonsense.
Small madam.
I don't know you like me
Not
like this, so.
like who? Who like you? I was just trying to protect her. Exactly. I didn't like you. Who you be? You don't even rich people how they like.
Martins.
You know, you like me.
Nonsense.
Thank you for helping me so much. Thank you.
I said don't touch me.
Martins.
Please.
You see the thing where you don't cause now. That time what I say, bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. I know they hear what.
I know. I suppose show wetin.
Show waiting. Now you see, you don't scatter everything for all of us.
My leg, carry. Say you leave my leg. I can't stand
for it.
Let's go to our
You are getting
Stop. I don't like it.
How you think they carry that kind of person without Obi like that?
It's a fire play.
You didn't find for my face, so.
Jealousy.
You just get up Obi. If to say na that time when I see they go here, they carry weight. By now I forget up Obi like that. But that's how Obi big you. I don't forget up Obi like that. Sorry. Don't go.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. How fun. Welcome to the office.
Another one.
And we dig it. And we boogie. We get the mola. Let's get us. You gotta love us. You just gotta love us. To the office. Welcome to my office.
Madam, make a rap for this song. I beg. Make a rap for this song. I beg now. Please, I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yo. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Wahala, no too much.
Rizzo, be cutting that chest well for us.
Don't worry, I'll cut it for you that day.
Leave go front.
She's not by the most.
Don't worry.
Leave me. Leave me.
Or as they shake
Go
muscles
gym,
and
you
they
say
shake
you
breasts.
all day.
See them. They shake it, they show.
You're shaking your nipple, nothing.
I beg they shake your chest.
Yeah, what are we good?
Let's go.
Pick up actors in character.
I'm looking in.
Yes. Actors in character.
So he has moved his watch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stay rolling. 3, 2, 1. Action.
See what is going on here? This is a madhouse. Who are you?
No. You are not here. This your person don't misbehave, but today you go know. You go know me. Come inside. For a year. Come inside.
Now this guy.
What? This guy is from the phone.
See you. I didn't even have fun. I will wash you. See you. You don't press the phone. See you. I love you. See you. Come in again.
Come on, don't go. Stay there. Collect the phone again.
Yes.
Mama, did you get her?
Yeah.
Bro, don't forget to walk carry this guy. Don't forget, yeah? Thank you.
He was coming for it.
We don't want to do it again. I'm sweating.
Alright, let's go.
Wow. Standing by. Pick up shots.
From...
Look at that.
Yeah, I'm still rolling.
Alright. Got this one.
No, okay.
See you when they come in. Let's go.
Action. See you, I want to see you.
Who they says for years?
That's this guy.
This one. That's this guy.
See you.
Yeah.
See you. I can see you, friend. See you. Nini, you didn't let them carry him now. Let them carry him first, then you come in between. Let's go. Come around again.
This scene, eh?
This scene.
3, 2, 1, and
action.